The HSIX error code is a common problem that occurs on many different makes and models of air conditioners. We can say that this code indicates a malfunction of the indoor fan motor, which is responsible for circulating the air throughout the premises. When the HSIX error code is displayed, the air conditioner will stop working, and the fan motor will not rotate. There are a few different causes of the HSIX error code. One possibility is that the fan motor is simply not getting power. This may be due to 2. A loose or damaged power cord. B. A blown fuse. C. A faulty circuit breaker. D. Problems with the fan capacitor. And fan shaft stuck, due to a mechanical problem, such as theft in poor condition. Another possibility is that the fan motor is indeed faulty and needs to be replaced. If the HSIX error code is caused by a power problem, the first step is to check 2. The power cord and electrical connections to drive B. If the power cord is loose or damaged, it must be repaired or replaced. C. If the electrical connections are faulty, they must be cleaned or repaired. It is useful to use the continuity function of the multimeter to verify the good condition of the power cables, that there are no open points. This function must be used with the equipment without power supply. If the HSIX error code is caused by a defective fan motor, it will be necessary to replace the motor. To rule out the problem, supply the fan directly with electrical power, without using the electronic control card. In some cases, the HSIX error code can be caused by a problem with the control board. The control card is the electronic brain of the air conditioner, and is responsible for sending signals to the fan motor. If the control board is faulty, it may not be sending the correct signals to the fan motor, which can cause the HSIX error code to display. If the HSIX error code is caused by a problem with the control board, it will need to be replaced. Here are some additional tips to fix the HSIX error code. 2. Try restarting the air conditioner. Sometimes a simple reset can clear the error code. B. Check the air filter. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow and cause the fan motor to overheat. C. Clean the fan motor. If the fan motor is dirty, it may not be able to spin properly. D. Check the voltage of the fan motor. The electronic card performs several checks to determine if the fan of an air conditioner is on. Some of the actions the card performs include 1. Monitor the electrical current flowing to the fan motor, to see if it is receiving power, and the values are normal. 2. It monitors the speed or RPM sensors, to confirm that the fan is spinning at the proper speed. They are mostly Hall effect sensors. These checks allow the card to determine if the fan is on and working properly. Should any of these tests fail, the card may trigger an error code, such as HSIX, to indicate that the fan is not spinning as expected.